Hello and welcome children. Today we will study integration of trigonometric function. Whenever we have any trigonometric function, then power and multiplication of trigonometric functions should be removed by using following formulae. The first formula is sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. How do we get this formula? Cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. We all know it. Take 2 sine square x this side. 2 sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Similarly, cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. We have got this formula from cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Take 1 this side. So cos square x will be 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Similarly, you can get formula for sine cube x from the formula of sine 3x and formula for cos cube x from cos 3x. Clear? These four formulae are used to reduce the powers. And next four formulae are to remove the product. Whenever it is 2 sine A cos B, we use sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. This also you have studied in trigonometry. These are called transformation formula. If we are not able to use any of these, then we can use substitution. Substitution is always helpful for finding the integral. See one example. Integral of sine square 2x plus 5. So we will use the formula of sine square, that is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So in place of sine square, we will write this. 2 is constant, integration of 1 is x, and integration of cos, that is sine 4x plus 10, and divide by the coefficient of x. Clear? Now here we can see there is a product of two trigonometric functions. So we have to remove product. How can we remove that? Sine 3x cos 4x. Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. And then use the formula 2 cos A sine B. That is sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Now easily you can integrate this. What is the integration of sine? Minus cos 7x by 7, and here it is plus cos x. Clear? And here also it is product between these three trigonometric functions. So we have to remove the product first. So how can you do that? Divide by 2 and multiply by 2. Cos 4x, cos 6x. Now use the formula 2 cos A cos B. That is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos 6x. Now open the brackets. Cos 6x into cos 6x. Cos square 6. Cos 6x cos 2x. But still here we find power is there and product is there. So again divide by 2 and multiply by 2. It becomes 2 cos 6x cos 2x. Now what is the formula for 2 cos square? That is 1 plus cos 2x, that is 12x. 2 cos A cos B, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, 6x minus 2x. Now it is free from power and multiply. So it can be easily integrated. 1 by 4 x sine 12x by 12 sine 8x by 8 plus sine 4x by 4 plus c. So remember two things. One, we have to remove power. Second, we have to remove product. Sine cube 2x plus 1. So we have formula for sine cube also. So you can use that formula, or you can do it by another method also. Sine cube 2x, split it into two parts, sine square into sine. Write sine square as 1 minus cos square. Now take cos 2x plus 1 as t. So sine 2x plus 1 dx minus dt by 2. Put the value. So the whole integral is converted into t, and variable of integration is also t. So what is the integration of 1t, and this is t cube by 3. Put the value and we will get the answer. And what is the second method? Use the formula for sine cube x. Sine 3x equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So what will be sine cube x? 3 sine 4x minus sine 3x by 4. So put the values here and you can get the answer. Children, remember one thing, whenever you change the method, then answer may be also changed. Actually, the format of answer is changed. Clear? It is not there that answer will be every time same. It depends upon your method. Okay? So if you are not using this method, you are doing by some other method, it may be that your answer do not match with that answer. But that is correct. If your method is correct, that answer will be considered as the absolutely right. Now here we can see power is there and multiply is also there. So the first method for this is split sine cube into two parts, sine square into sine. Sine square x 1 minus cos square. Take cos x equal to t. So minus sine x dx equal to dt. Put the values of cos x, that is t cube. Clear? So put all the values. Now easily we can integrate it. So children, you can see that substitution play a very important role when we are doing the integration. Substitution always reduce the integrand in such a way. Integrand means the function which is to be integrated. It convert integrand in such a way that we are able to use fundamental formula for this. Okay. Now here also product of three function. So already we have done it. Here also. Now here we have to integrate 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos. So first method you can use 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. It is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancel tan square, and tan square equal to sec square minus 1. And these two parts are integrable. We can integrate it easily. It is easy question, so you have to do yourself. Here cos power 4 is there. So what we will do? Cos square 2x whole square. And what is cos square? 1 minus 1 plus cos 4x by 2 whole square. Now it is after simplification, still there is cos square. So cos square can be written as 1 plus cos 8x by 2. So you have to make it simplified till all the powers are removed. Clear? Now easily you can integrate this. Cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha. Now here we will try to remove this denominator part. Here the angle is 2x, here angle is x. So let us convert this 2x into x. So cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Similarly, cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha minus 1, but it become plus. Here alpha is constant. This 1 cancel, 2 common, a square minus b square, cos x plus cos alpha, then cos x minus cos alpha divided by, so this part is cancelled. Now easily you can integrate 2 cos x dx, 2 cos alpha is constant. Now integration is 2 sin x, 2 cos alpha, and integration of 1 is x. So this is the answer. You can do by this method also by using CD formula. Next is tan cube 2x sec 2x. So whenever we are not able to remove the power or product, we think about substitution. If we take tan 2x as t, derivative of tan 2x is sec square 2x, which is not present. So let us try by another method. Let us take sec 2x equal to t. Derivative of sec 2x, tan 2x into 2 equal to dt by 2. Now put the value. Split this tan cube. Tan cube can be written as tan square 2x, tan 2x sec 2x. If we split it, we can put this value here. That is dt by 2. And what is the value of sec 2x? Sec 2x equal to t. So we will change tan square equal to sec square minus 1. So t square minus 1, which is easily integrable. Okay. So substitution again very helpful. Integration of tan power 4. Don't have any method to remove the power of tan. So we use substitution. Split it into two parts. Write this tan square sec square minus 1. Open the bracket, tan square sec square minus 1. So after simplify, we get this. Now this part is divided further into three parts. First part, second part, and third part. One integration of 1 is x, sec square is tan x. So let us integrate this part, sec square x, tan square x dx. Take tan x equal to t. So what is sec square x dx? dt. Tan square x t square. So it is t cube by 3. Put the value of t and put that value here. We will get the answer. Clear? This is simple question, so you will do yourself. Now here one more technique which may be very useful. In place of this one, we can write sin square plus cos square. Now write it separate. We get this. Now after doing this, sin by cos tan x sec square x, we can integrate this part by substitution. If tan x equal to t, sec square x equal to x dx equal to dt. Again to solve this part, we can write 1 equal to sin square x plus cos square x upon sin x cos x. Now write it separate. It is tan x plus cot x. And what is the integration of tan x? Log sec x plus log sin x. So you can put this value here and answer. Clear? So many time writing sin square plus cos square in place of 1 is very, very useful. It is also simple question you will do yourself. One more very important type of problems. There are 4 cases in this. 1 by cos x minus a, cos x minus b. So to integrate this, we have to try to remove this denominator part. So let us try multiplying by sin a minus b and divide by sin a minus b. What is our objective? We want to make x minus a, x minus b in the numerator as well. Now after sin a minus b plus x minus x. Now sin x minus b minus common x minus a. So it is divided into two parts like this. Now it is sin a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Write it again separate. So we will get tan x minus a, tan x minus b. Now it is easily integrable. What is the integration of tan? Log sec x minus b, log sec x minus. Clear? Whenever we have 1 upon cos x minus a, cos x minus b, or sin x minus a, sin x minus b, always we have to multiply and divide by sin a minus b, where a and b are constant. When we will do integration, this part will remain as it is. Sin A minus B will remain as it is. But if there is 1 upon sin x minus A, cos x minus B, one part is sin, other is cos, then we have to multiply and divide by cos. Clear? Then only we will be able to integrate this. Very important method. This also you can do yourself by taking e power x into x equal to t. So easily x is replaced by t. Clear? So children, three things are very important when you are doing integration of trigonometric functions. One, try to remove power, product and divide. If these methods are not useful, then try to use the substitution. In next class, we will study one more technique of integration. Till then, goodbye.